Hello everyone. Thank you for watching three statement financial modeling series. In this three statement financial modeling series, we covered from the to building a three statement financial model from scratch to the end. So I hope all of you enjoyed this and learn that how to build a deal grade financial model from scratch. So uh, I will just give a recap that what we learned from this. We learned that how to build the three statement, how to link the financial statements, how to do the in the construction phase project, how to build the timelines, flags, how to build the capital structure, how to analyze the plant capacity if we are in a manufacturing. So how to analyze the plant capacity, how to calculate the production capacity, how to do the revenue, how to calculate the COGS step by step for each line item, how to do the salary, prepare the capex salary schedule in the for the construction phase as well as the operation phase. And then we prepare the schedule for the debt and finance cost, debt during interest during construction period, finance cost. And after that we prepared capital schedule, equity schedule, retained earnings schedule. Then we linked everything into our three financial statements. At the end, we received a fully balanced balance sheet. So means if our structure was accurate, so we reached on our end point. Our goal was to build a model in a way that we after that we can flow to our next level. So after this, we will go with the DC evaluation and then the advanced evaluation institutional modeling techniques. So we will learn step by step everything in a professional way. So stay tuned with me. So structured financial modeling and transaction advisory insights. So stay tuned and follow this. So in the next, we will move into the DC evaluation, and then after that, we will also go with the other valuation techniques. And step by step, we will move into the detailed items that how to deal the prepare a deal grade financial valuations and to calculate the IRR and to calculate then net present value. And then we will do the all other evaluation methods like for the to calculate the IRR for the dividend discount model for from FCFE, from FCFF. I mean, step by step, we will learn one by one thing. So stay with me, and inshallah, we will learn together. Thank you so much.